Look at this big old group, dude. So many people. My Sena headset's like, my speakers are blown out, bro. Dang, Zach. Oh my gosh. Last time, I mean, he told me he was dipping, so I knew to expect it, but like, last time I rode with him, he was like chasing just a little bit under balance point, but like still pretty high. And now he's dipping. It's very epic. That girl looked like she was like recording herself singing to a rap song or something. Maybe she was on a FaceTime, but she was like pissed about something. She looked kind of mad. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I started picking it up. I got scared. Do a wheelie. I made it through most of it. Oh, he's pulling to the clutch. Dude, that's, oh my gosh. Kobe's so cool, dude. I want to do that. He forgot his SD card. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, Tyler. Hell yeah, dude. Alright, now don't you crash in front of me. Whoa! Jumping a spreader. It's got the capos. Let's go. Oh, something feel weird. What's wrong, dude? I wonder if he hit his foot. I think his foot might be hurting him or something. Oh. Maybe it's from like when he almost crashed or something. His foot got hurt. It seems he can't shift. I hope he didn't break it. Is your foot okay? Your toe? When you almost crashed?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, I definitely fucked my toe up bad.
You like hit your foot in the ground or what?
You didn't see him?
No, yeah, I saw him. I just didn't know his foot hit the ground or anything. That looks swollen. Yeah. Damn. You did a sick combo though.
This shoe didn't have a hole in it, I don't think.
Oh my gosh. Was it not hurting when you just did all that stuff just now?
I stepped on it, I felt it.
Oh. Damn.
Oh my god, damn.
The adrenaline's like wearing off or something.
Oh my god.
Huh.
Unlettable?
You gonna keep riding? Sheesh. This tire is so like comically loud. Like I wasn't even going fast and it sounds like I just went from like 40 to 0 in 2 seconds. It's hot. It's so motherfucking hot. Oh my gosh, dude. It's fucking hot. Alright, I got you. One-handed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's a Dallas boy. Oh my god. Oh, he's swerving. Oh my gosh. You're so awesome, Kobe. I love you.